Okay, so let's talk about the noun formation. Because if you know how to form a noun, then it will be easier for you to change verb into noun or to change adjective into nouns. So for example, take an example, any assessness. We have blindness, we have brightness, we have forgiveness. So actually they all come from an adjective. These two are come from adjective. This one is come from the adjective of blind. This is come from the adjective of bright, and this is come from the verb form of forgive. So and the next one, for example, likeness. Okay, so likeness is come from the verb form of like. Closeless is come from the adjective of close, and then cleverest is come from the adjective of clever. Carelessness is come from the adjective of careless. Openness is also come from the adjective open. Or effectiveness is come from the adjective of effective. Or another one like forgiveness, that's forgetfulness. So it's come from the adjective forgetful, and then neatness is come from the adjective of neat. So they are mostly come from the adjectives. Given, tough, T-O-U-G-H, which is an adjective, and if we add -s, it will become a noun form. And white, okay, white color, white. Okay, so if we add -s, it will become a noun form too. For example, good, which is an adjective too. So if we add -s, it will become noun form. And mad, I become mad. I am a mad woman. So which is an adjective, and if we add -s, it will become noun form. And then one more, for example, kind, an adjective. So -s becomes a noun form. So they are all examples of mostly adjectives changed to a noun form by adding -s. And then next one is ance or ence. Okay, ended. So for example, acceptance, accept. So this is transformed by the verb form accept. So accept at ance, we will become the noun form. So verb form changed to a noun form. The noun formation from a verb. Importance. So you know importance is an adjective. Okay, important, this is a very important announcement. So please pay attention. Important. So if we change T into CE, so noun form. Okay, perform. Perform. Okay, verb form, perform. ANCE, performance, noun form. Okay, so and also violence. So if you can heard that this is violence, your action is very violent. Okay, you have a very violent behavior. A violent man will hit wife or abuse wife. Okay, so violent, T, change it to CE, and then ENCE will become violence. But so here we will add something here next to ANCE, that is sometime ANCE or ENCE. Okay, so next one is abundant. Okay, abundant, that means I have enough. So if we change T into CE, okay, abundant is an adjective. So we will change T into CE, noun form. Okay, attend or another thing, another word, for example, distance. Okay, distance, ANCE. Okay, so distance. Okay, our distance from you is the distance is about 5 kilometers. Okay, from Hong Kong to from STCC to my home. Okay, distance. So, but the adjective is CE. Okay, change to T. So we change back. Okay, and the next is hinder. Hinder is a verb form. But if we want to hinder, that means we interrupt or something else. We obstrude something to happen. We disturb something to happen. So hindrance. So, but if we change ER to ANCE, so hindrance. Okay. Okay. Ignore. A verb form. I ignore you. That means I don't look at you. Okay. I just ignore when you have some question on me, and then I will just leave you aside. Okay, so ignore. So change E into ANCE, ignorance. Arrogant. Okay, that means somebody very proud. Okay, T to CE, arrogance. And for example, let's take example of ENCE, probably silence. Okay, the sound of silence or sound. Okay, silence, T, change to CE. So that is a noun form, but T is a adjective. So confident. So confident, adjective, T, change to CE. Okay, noun form, confidence. And then patient. Patience, T, change to CE. Okay, patience. Okay, and then occur. Okay, occur, and a verb form, occurrence, ANCE. So that is a noun form. Okay, let's see what's happened on this one. Yeah, should be correct. Okay, occurrence in noun form. Okay, absent. Okay, are you absent today? T, an adjective, change to CE in noun form. Intelligent. That means very smart. Okay, T, change to CE, and noun form again. Okay, and the next one should be interfere. Interfere, that means I disturb you. Okay, may I interrupt? Okay, that should be the same similar meaning. So interference, change to interference. Okay, E change to NCE, ENCE. So that is a noun form. Alright, so shun, S-R-O-N. So you will be very familiarized with that. Okay, you will be very familiar with this form, shun, dictation, contradiction, okay, etc. Do you have anything in your mind about shun? So let's give you some examples. Shun, or so maybe I give. These two are quite similar. Okay, so let's put it together. Okay, so ION ended. Okay, so let's see, fission. Okay, fission. Okay, fissionary, adjective. Fission, noun form, fission. Okay, your vision, you should have a look at vision. That means your eyesight, your perspective. Okay, so revise. That means study. So E change to ION, revision. Please do your revision daily. Okay, and then decide. Verb form, decision. Noun form. Okay, I have a decision already. I need to leave you. Okay, so passionate. Okay, Miss John is a passionate teacher. So passionate, an adjective. So without ANATE, that was a noun form. Okay, and the next one, mission. Okay, mission. So sometimes we will use mission to talk about your travel to other places. For example, the astronaut's missions is going ahead to Mars. So Mars mission. Okay, the mission to Mars. Okay, and then let's take another example. TATION, for example, dictation. Okay, ATION. Okay, or narration. Narrator come from narrator. Narrator, that is, you describe something without adding any emotion. So narration. Okay, and the next one, decorate. Okay, decorate. You want to decorate your house. Okay, decoration. Okay, the decoration is quite pretty glamorous. Okay, decoration. And the next one is discriminate. Okay, please don't discriminate the black. Okay, discriminate. Okay, verb form, discrimination, noun form. For example, temper. Okay, or tempt. That means I being seduced. Okay, tempt. So temptation. That is, for example, chocolate is a very huge temptation for me. The next one is hesitate. Okay, please don't hesitate to find me in the staff room. Okay, let me see what's wrong here. Okay, hesitate, sorry. Okay, hesitation. Okay, hesitation. Please don't hesitate. The next is foundation. Okay, you have a strong foundation of English language. Next is negotiation. Negotiate. Okay, negotiate. Okay, that means you talk with someone to persuade someone to believe in you. So persuade. Okay, negotiation. So persuade. I'm just talking about persuade. So persuasion, which is also a book from Jane Austen. Persuasion. Okay, or persuade. I persuade you. Okay, and then the next one should be ION ended. Okay, so locate. So a noun form, location. TRON, location. I want to see your location. Where is your location? Inform. Okay, that means you notify me. Okay, information, noun form. Okay, so now next part. Okay, that is MENT ended. Let's see. MENT ended. For example, treat. Okay, after treatment. Okay, treatment. Please treat me well. Okay, so governed. Okay, government. That means rule. Okay, government. Okay, a noun form. Apartment means somewhere you live. Apartment. Appoint. That means you assign somebody to do something in your work. It will be work related. So appointment. Okay, noun form, appointment. Okay, adjust. Okay, adjust. That means you have to adapt to the new environment. So adjustment in noun form. And then invest, which is you put money or time on something. So investments in noun form, investment. Okay, and then fulfill. Okay, that means satisfied. Okay, you fulfill my wishes. Okay, I have a fulfilling life. Okay, an adjective. So fulfillment. Okay, move. Okay, I move here to there. Okay, movement. Okay, and then next one, state. Okay, state. I state. That means you want to mention. Okay, you want to proclaim. Okay, statement. That means your announcement. Your verbally announcement. Pay. Okay, you want to give money to something, to somebody. You want to buy something, so you pay the money for that. Okay, payment. Noun form, payment. Okay, employ. That means hire. My boss employ me. Employment. Okay, he give me an employment record. Okay, and then judge. Okay, don't judge a book by its cover. So judge and judgment. Okay, so don't judge me easily. Okay, judgment. Okay, don't fall into the judgment easily. Okay, refresh. That means I have a lewd. Okay, I breathe in a fresh air, refreshment, which is different.